Meaning of gabardine.
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 Gabardine. Gabardine is a durable, tightly woven fabric that is typically made of worsted wool or cotton. The fabric is characterized by its diagonal ribbing pattern, which gives it a unique texture and appearance. Gabardine is commonly used in the production of outerwear, workwear, and trousers due to its toughness and resistance to wear and tear. Its name is believed to originate from the word gabard, which refers to a type of boat sail with a similar diagonal ribbing pattern. Overall, gabardine is a versatile and durable fabric that is well suited for a range of applications.